Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the software and drivers are ready. Open GeForce Experience and update drivers now. Once done, turn in-game overlay on in settings because the overlay requires that service to run. Press Alt+Z to open the overlay immediately. You should see the overlay UI or indicator. If you don't, try restarting GeForce Experience. This first step gets the overlay process running, so you can configure performance monitoring in the next stage. Now you configure what you want to see. Open the overlay, go to Performance, and enable FPS, GPU utilization, GPU temperature, RAM, and CPU metrics. You can switch between detailed graphs and a compact HUD. Choose compact for minimal distraction or detailed for deep analysis. Position the HUD by dragging it on screen or use the overlay hotkeys to snap it to a corner. Also set the sampling rate, 1 second or half second, and adjust color and opacity. Finish by capturing and validating what you configured. Use manual recording or instant replay to record gameplay while the overlay logs metrics, because recordings give you time align traces for analysis. Once you have sessions, compare numbers across runs to spot regressions in FPS, frame time, or RAM use. If the overlay fails to appear, restart GeForce Experience, reinstall GPU drivers, and make sure the overlay is allowed in system privacy and anti-cheat settings. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.